All right, so for the last time ever, welcome to the Jet Experience. I said last time ever because we're doing a little bit of a transition. We're changing the name of the channel, but generally speaking, it's gonna stay the same. So from here on out, we'll be known as All Day Pass, your one stop for all things fun. It's fitting that we're starting something new today because, as you can see, the gigantic crowd behind me, it is the opening day of Disneyland, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Now, Disney World's had this for a few years. We've ridden it there. I assume it's going to be basically the same, but you never know. They could have some minor differences. So we've got a little bit of time left for our virtual queue before we can go get in line. And
Well, because we actually got lucky. A lot of people didn't get the virtual queue. They had to spend the $20 for the lightning lane, but we both were trying this morning and he got it. I started to freak out because I was like, oh no, it kicked me out, but thankfully he got it. So we were lucky to get one.
yeah, I set an alarm for 6:50 to go off. Give me 10 minutes to, shake the sleep off and then sit there and start refreshing it. And then as soon as I saw it, I hit it. And we got, a queue like halfway through the day. So even as quickly as I got it, but there's a lightning lane available for $20. But as of when we were getting here at about 10 o'clock, it was already at like 10 o'clock at night. Those went pretty quick too. So we're waiting to go get in line because all of Toontown is not actually open, only that ride. To even get past this area, kind of where the restrooms are right by the exit to Small World, you have to show your boarding pass to get through into the Toontown. So nobody can just walk up and like check out the outside area. So we're just waiting around until our group is called. We're waiting over by the Lion King show. Really excited to get on. So join us for the fun. All right, so while we are waiting, let's kind of wander down a little bit closer, get an up close view of what this system looks like down here. You can see the large groups of people, as well as all over by the restrooms. They're just all waiting for their boarding group to be called. So there's a sign. So let's come up and film the sign here. So Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is accessible via virtual queue or lightning lane. Please have your boarding pass ready. Of course, there's the entrance to Toontown. And then right under the umbrella, a couple cast members checking boarding passes. And it looks like over here it's probably for the exit only. So just to get even under the train, you have to have a boarding pass to get through.
One eternity later.
All right, well, good news. After being down for about an hour, they've resumed boarding and they just called our boarding group number. So you can see It's a Small World coming up in the background, and we are headed over to the entrance. All right, and we are on our way up. All right, we've made it through the exclusive line. Welcome to Toontown. Of course, I can already see the sign coming in the entrance, so it's right at the opening of Toontown. The El Capitan. This looks amazing in here. They did a fantastic job. I can't wait for all the walls to be down to really see what it looks like. Okay, so up here is where they're actually scanning. So once we get through there, then I can put the phone away. All right, we just scanned through, and we are heading in.
If you're not there long enough, you might miss it. Everything else. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome folks to Legendary Health Community World Premiere of the Perfect Picnic is just about to start right up ahead.
I wish we could actually get some.
Be careful. I saw something earlier and just went up the smoke. Too hot for you. I think you gotta be a 2 minutes. Don't be shy, go ahead and fill in the space.
Awesome.
Just from your left or your right, go ahead and walk into that empty space.
Awesome. The doors are going to automatically close behind you. Go ahead and stand all the way forward, please.
Welcome moviegoers to the El Capitan. Please enjoy the world premiere of Mickey Mouse and Perfect Picnic.
Well, you were late for a picnic. Yep, we're off to the park. See you all later. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. In any trouble. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here Loki movie?
I don't mind. I can help them mix the cartoon for you.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
You open this? Huh? Crashed into it. They do that.
The big fits, man. It's gonna come out of your paycheck. I don't know how you're gonna afford that. You're in university.
Piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Hiya, folks. Oh boy! We made it! Now it's almost done! Hurry! We have to stop them before they go over the...
Here's your friend. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's
Guess it just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, big niggers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong. Nothing can stop us now. I think somehow that we would finally make it. We had one place on my side. It's not What's this liver do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings. Take your small children by the hand. Watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So
So right outside of Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin, they've completely turfed out the area. So that's kind of cool. I wonder, let's see, how soft is it? Oh, it's really soft. It's kind of like almost like a rubber underlay. It feels like a playground. So that's going to be really fun for the kids. All right, so we just got off the ride. And as I suspected, from what I can remember, it's been a few years since I went to the Disney World ride, but identical to Disney World, but it was really great to not have to fly to the East Coast just to be able to get one. I don't know how long the virtual queue is going to last, probably for quite a while, I would imagine, while it, you know, kind of still has the new ride smell to it, if you will. But all in all, it was really fun. I love the queue going through the visuals and how it really makes it feel like Mickey, you know, is a real movie star with like props and costumes from his, you know, movies and whatnot. So that was really fun. But we hope you liked this video. If so, please give us that thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, please be kind and be real, and join us on your next all-day pass.